Welcome to today's class. Today I will be teaching you on how to create your uh, design portfolio. They cover a way of creating the template for your design portfolio. So let's go into the business of today. I am using the web Canva, and it's a free usable app like that. And yeah, I always choose to use websites instead of using app most times. So let's go into the uh, main work. Once again, I'm using the free version and not the premium version now. So everything I'll be doing here will be based on the materials I'll be using will be based on free ones. So let's go. So the first thing to do is to get the size of your work, the size of the cover is going to look like your design. So you click on that plus at the bottom, this place. So you click on it. Then you see something like this. We have this. So you choose custom size. This custom size here. Then you can input in. They already have the size, but you can just try and change it here. Make yours inches. Then you make the wide 7 and the height should be 5. So you can see I have recent uh size example like that. Then you click on create new design. Yeah, so you have a free blank space now. We have a free blank space. So you always have this kind of option from Canva like that. Is there a template you want to insert into this size like that? But we don't have. We want to create from the scratch now. So just draw this down, and yeah. So let's have the text first. Click on text. Click on add a heading. So you can write my design. It depends on how you want to put your work. You can decide to make every word stand on its own. Portfolio. Portfolio. So so yeah, we are good to go now. That's how I want my to be. I want it to be this way. Then I can change the font. To change the font, just slide like this, like I'm sliding now. So you can just slide to the right hand side, slide to the left hand side rather. So there you can change your work, whether you want it to be left aligned. This is it for you to know whether you want it to be left aligned. Just click on this. Then your whole design, select first, select the whole text, select all, then you click on it. click on this. If you want it right aligned, if you want it left aligned. So now the next thing is to give it a font. Am I satisfied with that font that I used? No, I am not. So I would love to have used, let me try this first, or this. Okay, I would love to go for this. Let me go for the first one. Should be there. Just you have the opportunity to select to give your your design. Let me make it light. My design portfolio. Let me make it regular. Yeah, I think I'm okay like this, just to have a separate alignment, separate order, like that. So I think we are done creating the font. So anything can be at the front. So let's just, the background is white, nothing is on it. Can we want to have something simple on it, then you can try from there. You can try to bring in some elements like circle. Just be creative about it. Just be creative about it. And you can decide to put one of your artwork in a box and just put it there, just to symbolize the cover for your work. So yeah, under element you have videos, you have audios, like that. So but what we want to use right now is just shapes, like graphics. Can you see we have shapes and we have graphics? So I think I see something that I can use here. So some things I can put together, then use here. I would love to use this. Trying to look for better options like that. So I can see two different shapes that I would love to use that will be good for my design. Yeah, they will be good for my design. And please note this, that anytime you are designing, you are using Canva free version, try and realize that there is free element and there is pro element. You can see that Instagram logo is having pro elements. So now I would love to use this and this. So let me just first use this. So I want to creatively use it. Can change the color. This is the color. Can decide to change it to another color. So you can see you have varieties of color here. If you felt like the color you are looking for is not here, there are ways you can just change it. Yeah. So and this you can rotate as well. Just click on this button below, this one. Just click on it so you can rotate it if you wish to rotate it. If you don't wish to, fine, it's not compulsory. So can decide to copy this to have maybe some other clearing one, just to make it more kind of uh, something you can just be creative about. So you can just change this color to, maybe let's change it to lighter blue. I don't like this blue. Let's have more. Yeah, we have this. I prefer this then. So from there, I told you I want to use two elements. Let me pick the second one. Yeah, this will be useful as well. I can practically create this and use this one on top. Everything, like, I would love to say that everything, okay, this one should be here, can be here. Everything relies on how you are being creative to create your work. You can decide to give this white background a color. You can decide to have a gradient color. We have what we call gradient color. The moment you click on color, you click on this plus icon where you have the color wheel, then you come to scroll down, come to gradient, then you can see. Can you see now? We have different gradients here. We have this. So can decide to change the color mixture. This is the color mixture here. So you can decide to click on it. You can change it to this or this. Anyone, just change it to any color that you feel will be okay for you. Then you can mix this. And yes, if you don't want it to be much deeper like this, you can just click on this place, draw this place towards this. Then you have a lighter one, including this color as well too, including this. If you don't want it to be much deeper, you can just reduce here as well too. But personally, I'll be using, for this class, I'm just trying to show you, I'll be using solid color. So I'll prefer to use solid color, and I'm using white. So let me just place it here. Then I can decide to copy more, so I have more stuff like this here. Just be creative with whatever you want to do. Be creative with it. So now I feel like having this color separated. These fonts, I want to change the color. I want to change the color of this font. Then you can click on color. You can have your default color here. So I want to change it to something like this. Yeah, I would love to have this color initially. So then I can change this as well too. Just click out once you are done with changing the color. Cancel. I want to change this as well too. Now this, I could not click on this element that I brought up. So the next thing I'll do is just go to layer. Go to the layer, then you can see the element, so you can click on it, so that in case you want to do anything, you want to change the color like I want to do right now. So I want to change to this color. I can decide to change to this color. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. So now this is the first page. The first page is ready for us to move to another page. So let's just shift this, drag it a little bit to the back, yeah, to have a balanced work. Just drag it as aligned. So whenever you see that purple line crossing each other, it's showing alignment like that. So all right, we can give this, let me see if we can give this a few color. No, I guess we won't be able to give it a few colors. It's only having an outline color. So let's move to the next page, where we have we'll be talking about the owner of the work as well. So I just try and, well, can try and create, just drag, click out like this, then drag to the right, then you'll be able to see another page. If you want to add another page, you can click on add page like that. So in case you want to go back, you do a mistake, just click on this icon here, click on this place, then, or if you want, if you are satisfied with what you did the last time, just click on go. So we have another page here now. So the next thing to do is to upload the image of the artist, the graphic designer, or the artist that wants to showcase his work. Then you upload, click on upload. I have numbers of pictures here already because this is my account, so I've been using this account for various kind of works. So and I've used it for different designs as well too. So let's just pick one of these images. Just pick, all right, let's use mine. Yeah, I'd like to do some editing here, so I have a portrait picture of mine. I hope you are following. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button. You found all this useful for you. Thank you. So let's go on with the class we have. You can see what I'm saying. This is centered aligned now. So now we have my picture here. Let me crop a little bit. So yeah, I can decide to copy all these, bring them together, including this as well too. The best way to do that, if you want to replicate what you have been doing in the other page, is just click on this, but these three lines dot here, then select multiple, then you select this one as well too. Then decide to copy. You can see copy here, and decide to copy, then click out, come here, hold to the background, then paste. Can you see? Now we have the work here. So but yes, we want the picture, we want the element to come down at the back while the picture can come front. The way to do this is just come to stroll here, come to layers, then you can drag the picture up at the top of the boot. Can you see now? So we have it here. So I guess we can try and put this inside a box, I mean the picture. So let's just do that fast. Come to elements, just click on elements here, then we can have a square shape. Cases, yeah, we have square here, so can just make it fit into what we want to use here. So change the color to white. Yeah, we have white. So like I said the other time, anytime you want to bring an element or an image front, you can just come to layer to just move it, move the image up. So I think we are good to go now. So that we can know the separate color for each. Let's just give this another background. Let's give it like more like blue background. Then we can change the color of, yeah, so we have blue here. Then we can change this one to white, or we just use yellow. Then this one can decide to use white for this actually. Yeah, so this is done so that we can both be on the same page. Yeah, now we can continue our work. Then what to talk about this person, the next thing to do is just, we have the text again. Then this time around we have the heading. The heading will be about me. Yeah, let's use about me. About me. You can just use anyone you felt is good for you to use, and anything that it felt is good for you. It's not compulsory you use about me for yours. So come to, let's change the font. Before you change the font, just select all, then change the font to, we just used this, let's use this. Yeah, so we can change the color at the same time too to white, because black won't be really going well. So then to reduce the size, you click on it, then you see that angle, you reduce the size from the angle. Or better still, there are some other better ways to reduce it. In case you want to reduce, it, you can just click on it, comes to font size, then you can drag all along to reduce. So I love an element that I used the other time. This, I would love to copy it. So let me not stress myself. Let me just go to layers, then I click on the element so I can copy. So just copy, then let me just paste here. Remember, anytime you want to paste, just hold on the background, then paste. So this is it now. Need to change the color to, let's change it to the yellow we used at the bottom. Yeah, that yellow we used the other time. Yeah, this yellow. So I want to make it centered, aligned with the about me. So we can now add a little bit of body text. So we have the body text now. All right. So edit. I am peace a AOG. You can just write your name, any name that you felt is good. I am peace AOG. Creative director. Creative director. Creative director, and a freelance graphic designer. Full stop. I'm skilled. I am skilled in the use of skilled in the use of in the use of Adobe creative design software and Canva. Be mindful of how that keyboard will be helping you to change your words. So let me just stop there. I don't have much to be saying right now. So then you have, it's too long, right? So that's why I move it a little bit. So I want it to be right aligned. Edit. So select all, don't forget. Then just throw here. When you right aligned it, then you can give it a font. I want it to be in this font. Yeah. So then we give it the color that I need. Yeah. So we are good to go. So I guess we have been able to design a 2-page template for a design portfolio. Yeah, this is just a 2-page design portfolio, uh, page template for design portfolio. And if you want to add more, you can just scroll, like I said the other time, just scroll, add the next page, have a next page like that. Then you can now start inputting your work, putting it inside box to have a proper arrangement, just like I put my picture inside a white box here. I hope you learn one thing or the other from this video. Like I said, do well to subscribe, and anything that seems difficult for you, try and send a comment so I can respond to your comment as well too. Thank you. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. Bye. See you next class.